I still record this for my record. I just look at my webinars. Okay, so we're gonna cover all the skills which are high paying. No skills will be covered that are average or not high paying. And I'm going to be sharing you some few of the strategies that, which I use. And the most important part is that everything which I will share will be execution based. No BS. Everything will be completely execution based. Okay. So now, first of all, let me give you some acknowledgement about you coming here and joining the webinar. I really appreciate that all of you who have come here have given me their time and they have blocked their 90 minutes. And I really request you that when you have blocked your, you must keep all distractions. Sorry, you must keep all your distractions side, and your pets, your family members, everyone, just keep them aside. And I want you to stay focused. All I demand from you right now is to stay focused and be with me for the next maybe 60 to 90 minutes. That's it. And the webinar will be somewhere between 60 to 90 minutes. And I want you to, take notes. And there is one more thing that I will promise you, that if you stay focused right away till the end, if you are with me, if you listen to me, I'm going to promise you that this is the best value for your time that you have ever spent. I'm going to give you the best value for the time that you spent with me. Okay, so this is my promise to you, and it's going to be a 90 minutes webinar. You make sure you have a sheet of paper so that you take notes, and even if you just take notes on your mobile, it's fine. And that's it. We're gonna now proceed with the next part. And before proceeding, I'm just going to ask you guys, when it comes to this high paying digital skills, basically, what I am talking about is basically it's completely about the e-learning industry. How many of you are aware that in the recent times during the COVID, the e-learning industry, like the people who are making their courses and all those things, the e-learning industry has really risen up, and it has really in its boom. How many of you know the importance of e-learning industry? And this is where we are into digital marketing. We e-learning industry is a very big part of digital marketing. So now I want you to ask you guys, what is your opinion on e-learning industry? How big is the industry? What is the scope of the industry, and what do you think about it? Just share your views in the comment box, and we're going to proceed further from here. Okay, I want to see your views when it comes to what do you understand by e-learning industry, and how important you feel in the next future is it, and what will be the the importance of the industry, learning industry in the next 5 years, or maybe like in the next 10 years. Just I want you all of you to share your views. And if you don't understand what is e-learning and what is digital info products and all about the industry, then I'll let you know. Okay, so someone is saying my voice is echoing a little bit. Is it true that my voice is echoing? If it is true that my voice is echoing, just I'll try to just correct it. Okay, so fine. So now I think so. I think so. Not much people are aware about the e-learning industry. So let me share a few stats about the e-learning industry or the digital product industry. Okay. So this is where we come to the next slide. Yep. So, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I'm going to just silent my phone. Yeah. 305 billion projected value of e-learning market by 2025. This is a growth from its value of 107 billion in 2015. Can you imagine the kind of potential the e-learning industry holds? That it is going to be a 305 billion industry. Can you see the potential inside this e-learning market? And I'm going to promise you that there is each and everything that I'm going to share with you, you can be a part of it. You can be a part of this industry. Doesn't matter what kind of skill you possess. Doesn't matter if you have a product or not. Doesn't matter if you are good with digital marketing or not. Doesn't matter if you're technical or not. You can be a part of such a such a big industry with such a big growth. And this is why I have something something amazing to offer you. But before that, I just want to show you the proof that not only this the random template from global industry analytics, but Forbes also thinks that e-learning is climbing to 325 billion by 2025, and this is the data that has been provided by Forbes. Just imagine, this is a random screenshot of a blog. So this is the kind of scope that the coaches, the people who have their own product, who have some value to share, this is the scope they have. And I think so all of you might be at some point willing to become that. And if not, that I'm going to give you a blueprint how to do that. Doesn't matter if you have a product, doesn't matter if you have a service. Okay. So let's just move to the next slide. And before moving to the next slide, I just want to ask you guys, how many of you are aware of what is do we call by sales funnel design? What do you mean by sales funnel design? This is one of the high paying digital marketing skills, sales funnel design. How many of you are aware of that skill? Just type a yes in the chat box. Just throw a yes in the chat box if you're aware of this skill. Okay, I'm seeing few yeses. Okay. Can you imagine how much you can charge if you are a master or you are an expert of sales funnel? How much you can charge per project? Just give us just sample price which you have in mind, because this is a hyping skill. How much you can charge? Shamanda is saying 1500 USD. Okay. 1000. Srilal is saying 1000 USD. Okay. 300. Satish is saying 300 US dollars for one project. 2000 to 2500 US dollars. Yeah. So, pretty good prices. But I'm going to show you, how many of you know Russell Brunson? He's one of my mentors. How many of you know him? Yeah, few of you know him. And for those who don't know him, he is the founder of ClickFunnels, which is a landing page design software, landing page and sales page and web, which is basically a funnel design software. It is used to design funnels. And do you guys have any idea that he is the godfather of sales funnel? He is the master of sales funnel. He is the one who is the leader in the market. Do you know how much he charges to design one sales funnel? Just give a random idea. Just those who know it are not going to type it, and those who don't know, just make a random guess, because there are few students sitting right here inside this workshop who are a part of my sessions. They know that. So just tell me how much he charges to design one single funnel. Now just tell me. Just a random idea. Just type your guess in the Russell Brunson. His name is Russell Brunson. Yogita is asking, can you name the person again? His name is Russell Brunson. So that Satish is saying he charges $5,000 to design a single funnel, and Srilal is saying he charges $25,000 to design a single funnel. Okay. Any more guesses? $50,000. Okay. Any more guesses? Shamanta is saying 100K. Okay. Any more guesses? Okay. So now let me reveal the price that he charges for designing a sales funnel. Okay. So this is a screenshot from Russell Brunson's website, and this is the charges for hiring him. And just look at the last, building a funnel, $1 million and 25% of gross sales of the funnel for lifetime of the funnel. Please note, sales Russell only works with existing businesses that have generated a minimum of 3 million in annual sales. Can you imagine that this guy charges $1 million to design a single funnel? If you guys find this amazing, astonishing, mind blowing, just type AMA in the chat box. If you guys find this amazing, astonishing, and you know, it everybody can reach a level like this. Every one of you sitting right here can reach a level like this. It's not impossible. I'm telling you, it's not impossible. Just imagine if you can charge only 10% of what he's charging. He's charging 1 million, which is 10 lakh USD. If you can charge only 10%, which is around $1,000, $10,000 around. If you can only charge 10%, then also you will be rich like anything. And just one single skill. Isn't this amazing? Those who still find this amazing, just type AMA in the chat box, because this is what I wanted to show you, that this is real. This is something real. This is happening. This people are paying him. People are, paying him for this lunch speaking engagements. And if you don't know already who is Russell Brunson, just go ahead and search for him. He is sitting, this picture is of Grant Carden's growth conference, which he attended. And Grant Carden is also a very big businessman. Okay, so now just moving forward, this was I was just talking about one of the high paying skills, which is sales funnel, which I will teach you. And not only you can come closer to this guy, even you can be a very good, quite better at it. You can it's not 10%, you can come close to 50% of what he designs. It is you who decides what percentage you want to come close to. You can cross Russell Brunson if you want to. It's upon you. Okay. Quite amazing, right? Okay. So the next slide is something which, these are the high paying digital skills, which can really give you, if you master these skills, they can really give you high income. And they can really take you to the place in a very short time if you master these skills. Okay. And they can, these skill sets can really allow you to generate $100,000 per year, which is $1 million per year. And this is true. This is so true. Yeah, I can see a few more participants joining in. So let me just hold on. Yeah. So, yep. So this is the high paying digital skills, and I'm going to be covering them one by one. And the very first is UI UX design, which is user interface, user experience design. This is a very, very high paying skills. And I'm not going to, talk about this because this is not my domain at all. It's just that it is one of the high paying skill that I have listed it. That's it. Then second is consultancy. Consultancy about anything. This is something which I'm going to cover in my workshop, how you can be a good consultant. This is a surprise bonus that I'm going to give you in the sessions that I'm going to be conducting. And third is app development. Yeah, everybody knows app development is quite expensive. Okay, this is not my domain again. It's good. Then the fourth is sales copywriting. This is where we are something. This is what we're talking about. Sales copywriting is, something which is a part of my expertise. And this is what I'm going to teach you. Do you know how much the highest paid sales copywriter in the world charges for writing one single copy? Just give a wild guess how much the highest paid copywriter charges for writing a one single copy. Then I'll share how much I charge for writing a one single copy. He's saying maybe 10K USD. Okay. Yeah. So you can charge, if you are working in the international market, you can charge up to $1,000 to $100,000 for writing a single copy project. Single copywriting project, you can charge up to 1,000 to 100,000. The highest paid copywriter charges around 10 to 50,000 starting from, and he also charges up to 1 million for writing a single copy. Sorry. Can you imagine the kind of potential these are the skills. Just imagine. These are the skills that if you If you just pick up one or two skills, you'll be a millionaire. Then we have website development, which is also a very high ticket sale. Then we have social media management. Then we have Facebook ads. We're going to cover website, website development. Again, it's not my domain. I have an agency. Okay. I'm going to introduce myself a little bit later, but right now I'm not going to tell you anything about it. Social media management and then Facebook ads management. Facebook ad management is something which we are going to cover today. Paid traffic. This is also a very, very high paying skill. Very high paying skill. If you learn how to generate traffic, you are very valuable to everyone. Okay. How many of you didn't know that all these skills are high paying skills? How many of you didn't know? Just type a no in the chat box. And how many, those who knew it, just type a yes in the chat box. I want to know how aware you guys are. You guys are learning digital marketing. I want to know how aware you guys are. Because copywriting, I didn't know copywriting was so high ticket skill until 2 years from when I started digital marketing. Literally 2 years from the time I started digital marketing, I did not know copywriting even exists in this world. And sales funnel also. Just imagine that people don't are not even aware of these skills, and these skills are very, very easy to learn but harder to master. You just have to commit time. Okay, they're easy to learn, they can be learned easily, but it's just that you have to keep on honing and practicing. So now I'm just gonna give you a quick introduction about myself before proceeding further. So basically, I am Aman Srivastav, and I am the founder of Raw Media, which is a social media marketing agency, and which is just in its budding phase. And I've just started it. It has been around 6 months, and I've been putting things together. And I have a team of 5 people, and based from Lucknow. I am into digital marketing. I have an experience of 5+ years into digital marketing, and I've been practicing this quite a while. And I have basically two sources of income, two businesses. One is I have an agency, which is a social media marketing agency, and other is I am into digital coaching. I coach people like you, digital marketing beginners. I conduct workshops, I conduct courses. I have courses which are coming up in future, and I conduct webinars as well. And that's it. That's quite good, quite a big of introduction. And why I'm sharing you all this, because it's very important for us to know each other, for me to know you, and for me to know you, and for you to know me as well. Okay. And now I'm going to share you a short story that how I started. Okay, just going to share you a short story that how I started. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Yep. For all those who are new and joining in, please, keep all the questions you have for the last of the webinar. I'm going to answer each and every doubts that you have, and you don't have to worry about anything. You just right now, if you join, just keep up with the flow of the webinar, and just stay focused. That's it. Whatever questions you will have, I'll share the recording. I'll answer every question at the end. So this is how now I'm going to share you my story. Okay, please everyone, just please kindly mute yourselves, so that there's no disturbance. So when I graduated, when I completed my engineering, I was not at all a science guy. I did not at all like to study. I was not a very studious guy. I hate studying, I hate science. I hated my engineering days. Everything I hated, because I did not like it at all. And the moment I graduated, I thought, I had to do something. I don't want to work as a job person. I want to do something. I want to do something which is of more interest, which I'm more passionate about. So thinking about it, I was very much interested into I was very much interested into bodybuilding, because it always interested me that people. I was always amazed by people showing aesthetics, showing their body. So I thought I should maybe join gym. So I joined the gym, and then after joining the gym, you know what happened? I started working out. I think so. There is someone who has not muted himself. So just let me remind, please mute yourself, guys. And there's very important part going on. It's my story. So please mute yourself. Okay. So you know what happened when I joined the gym? I started seeing a very good results within 4 to 5 months. And you know why it happened? Because I love to be fit. I love to do exercise. I love to work out. This is something which I love. I enjoy. I don't have to do it. It just happens. Within 5 to 6 months, my body started to change. I started to gain huge confidence. My complete character, my personality completely, turned upside down. The kind of confidence that I was holding was completely different. And my friends were like, maybe, you can go make a career in fitness. You can become a coach or something like that, go for it. But you're so deeply engulfed into fitness and all these things, you are made for it. I was like, no, 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 man. It's just, I just like it. I like working out. I just like, lifting weights. It really makes me feel good. It's just exercise, How can I make it a business? Like, how can I earn from it? I was like that. And they were like, no, you will find out. My friends. I used to live with my friends in a flat. And I had two friends. These are my childhood friends. And they used to say, Aman, listen, bro, I have seen you are goddamn serious when you are about fitness, and you're so serious. I think we really believe that you can create a career out of it. And they put so much motivation inside me that then I finally decided that there was a day. Then I finally decided, okay, now let me think about it. And I decided, I took a decision. I took a decision to talk to my parents about it. And I started, a million things were going inside my mind. Because just imagine, a guy who's just graduated, he says, comes up to his parent and says that he wants to go to some other field, which is fitness, but is very non-traditional in India. And there's no scope as such, and very, very new talent which is coming up, fitness training and all that. People don't really believe in that. And just having the ball, having the heart to that heart to go to my parents, it took me a lot of time. But finally I did it. I went to my parents and I said, see, I'm not made for this. I'm not going to do any kind of job. I just told him right away, see, I'm not going to do any kind of job. Okay. So then they were like, okay, so why, like, what else do you want to do? Just hold on, Shilal, please, kindly mute yourself. It will be great. I think so, it's not, yeah. Thank you so much. So I just told them, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do any job. I want to take up fitness. So they were like, are you crazy? Are you crazy? Do you even do we have any? They were like, okay, so what you do is that, beta, what you do is that, you do this fitness wala thing inside, and uske saath saath what you do, you pursue your job, and side by side you do it. But job is main, you do it side. Matlab side mein you put something which you love inside, and you pursue your job, you start making money, and eventually later on you see if you can resume it. They were like this. And it's completely practical, because this is how things are. First you have to take care of money. First you have to take care of cash flow. Being young, I did not realize this. I had no, there was this young blood inside me. I had no realization for how practical is life, how much important is there to, because my education was on loan. I did not, my parents were not so rich that they sponsor my education. It was like, yeah, I had to pay my loan. So I was like, okay, so, but I was really stubborn at that time. I did not understand a word that they were talking about. It was like, if right now, if I don't start this, I will not be able to make it. So I just somehow convinced my parents. My parents really convinced them. They're so good that they were convinced, and I somehow, convinced them. Although they were not satisfied, they did not support me, but somehow they were convinced. And I started. I did a certification for fitness. I'm an internationally certified personal trainer. And I certified myself. It took around 1 or 3 months to get it done. And then after that, I just looked at the opportunities. I started a job of a personal trainer. And my god, what happened then? I cannot tell you what happened then. I have a really deep heart and respect for all the trainers, all the fitness trainers in this world, because the job that they are doing is quite splendid and it's amazing. Amazing. You have no idea how much hard work they're going through. Because being when I stepped inside the shoes of a fitness trainer, my job time was 6 a.m. in the morning. I used to leave my home, and 11 a.m. in the sorry, p.m. at the night I used to return home. Just imagine. Because I was a personal trainer as well, so the clients used to come up anytime, and it was no fixed time, so I had to be there all the time in order to earn my bread. I was making good money, but in order to do that, I had to do this kind of hard work. The same thing, watching the same faces, doing the same thing, moving in the same room again and again and again and again and again. And there was this day when I had this exam for my certification. You know what happened? I just asked my manager that, I want to take a leave for 2 days, because it's a tough exam, it's an international certification, I want to prepare for that. I need time. So I was really new to this job thing, and it had been a month or two, and he was like, no, I cannot give you any leave, just one day, that is Sunday, you take it, and that's it. So at that time, and at that moment, I have already spent close to 1 lakh in my certification. And then my salary was 12,000 rupees. Just imagine, 12,000 rupees a month they were offering me for being a personal trainer. And I accepted because I used to love that. And then, what happened? I realized, they are not giving me time, because they were in charge of the business. They were the authority. So they used to tell me what I have to do. I cannot decide what I have to do. They were like, okay. I was like, no, I need 2 days. So they were like, okay, if you want 2 days, just get out from here and don't show your face again. And if you want 2 days, go take 2 days and don't come back again. Everything ended in that one single day. Just imagine the kind of hard work that I used to put inside that job. Doesn't matter. The kind of passion that I used to have doesn't matter. The kind of work that I used to do doesn't matter. Just one extra leave, and they kicked me out. And that too for my exam. How many of you have faced similar situations in life, and they think that this is really painful when you are not in authority? Just type yes in the chat box. How many of you have faced the pain that the authority is telling you what to do? The authority is telling you this is A, and this is B, and this is C, and you have to accept it. And this is what happened to me. And that day, it really deep inside my heart, it was unacceptable for me. I had no job. I lost my job. The only single job that I had, I also lost it. And my loan EMI already started. I had to pay the loan EMI. I had to pay. I shifted to my hometown. Although expenses, my family was already in a not in a very good financial situation at that time. And I had to face a lot of comments from my family members as well. You've graduated and still you're not earning, making money. One job you had, that also you left. What kind of useless child are you? So at that day, I decided one thing. I made a decision. I took a decision that this is not how it works. This is not how it works. That it doesn't matter. Nobody cares if you're passionate about it. Nobody cares if you love it. Nobody cares, man. Nobody cares. The only thing that will help you is your skill set. What? your skill set. The more skilled you are, doesn't matter if you love it or not, doesn't matter if I love fitness or not, if I don't know how to sell myself, if I don't know have the if I don't have the right sales skill to sell myself as a fitness trainer, I'll be landing up with another job. So this is what I want to teach you today. This is what I want to tell you, that doesn't matter if you like it or not, doesn't matter if you love it or not. It is one of the factors. But if you don't have one single thing which is called skills, and that too sales skills, everything that I'm going to teach you will be related to sales skills. All the skills that are listed, which I'm going to teach you, are all related to sales. Copywriting is directly related to sales. Sales funnel is directly related to sales. All the skills are related to sales. The skills are in, and also going to teach you traditional sales. For all the freelancers sitting right here, I'm also going to teach you sales, how you can scale up your freelancing to thousand to $10,000 a month. This is all about sales. If you learn the single skill of sales, then you can sell even garbage you can sell. But you got to learn this. And how you will learn this? From all the skills in digital marketing that I will teach you. In digital marketing, what is sales? Copywriting is sales. Sales funnel is sales. And trust me, if you possess this one single skill, which is called sales, and if you just master this single skill, and if you learn any of one of these skills, which is copywriting, sales funnel, design thinking, and then designing a digital product, Facebook ads, this is also sales. Facebook ads comes under marketing, but it's a part of sales. Just one skill, if you master, you don't have to be dependent on any person. You don't have to. You will be master of your own destiny. Trust me, you'll be a master of your own destiny. This is what happened to me after quitting my job. I took up a digital marketing course. It took me hardly 1 year to complete a 3 months course. It took me 1 year to I 1 year I failed a lot, didn't earn zero money. After 1 year started earning small छोटा 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 प्रोजेक्ट मिलने लगा. 3,000 की वेबसाइट, 5,000 की वेबसाइट, सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट बनाने का. All of you might have faced that. After one more year gone by, 2 years gone by, 10 was a turning moment of my life when I came up, uh, when I came to know about what is sales, what is copywriting, what is sales funnel. I did not know what is sales. I did not know how it works, what it takes to sell yourself. I did not have had any, or to be more precise, I did not discover what I liked. Copywriting, there was a workshop, there was a random course which I did. Then I realized that copywriting is something which I am made for. I am this is something which is for me. And at that moment, right away, I decided to myself that, okay, so now I'm going to focus on every skill which is related to sales. And then I realized that I am all about sales and communication. This is what I am about. It's very important for you guys to be self aware. It's very, very, very important for you to be self aware. The moment you discover that what is that single thing that you are made for, you are going to create wealth around it. Doesn't matter if you're doing digital marketing, doesn't matter anything. You just have to unlock that one single skill that you are made for. And I am going to help you do that. How many of you find this amazing and are excited to unlock that one single skill inside you? Just type excited in the chat box. Because this is the kind of enthusiasm I want in every one of you. I want you to be excited. I want you to be hyped up with energy. And I was for 2 years, you can't even imagine the kind of pain I was going through. My parents used to think that I'm a useless kid. I'm just a burden on them. I was not able to pay my EMIs. I was not able to pay for my expenses. I used to take the pocket money. I used to for 2 years, 2 crucial years, I was like, I literally thought that I was a burden on everyone. but it doesn't work like that. So yeah, Nikhil is saying that he is. I'm feeling like he's telling my story. Okay, yeah, it might be relatable to you because we all are almost the same. We can face the same situations. So now let's move forward, and this is what my story, and let's move forward to what is my mission. You know, my mission is to help and create a community of 10,000 digital leaders by the end of 2021 by keeping empathy and real practical learning the priority. This is the kind of goal that I have because I know what I faced. I know what it takes to excel digital marketing. I know what it takes when you are a beginner in digital marketing. You don't know how to make money out of that. You don't know. You have no idea. And when I say digital leaders, digital leader is someone who is making somewhere around 150,000 to 1 lakh a month in digital marketing, and at the same time, he is a leader. He knows how to sell himself. He knows how to build a community. He knows how to sell anything. He knows how to master high ticket skills in digital marketing or in any other domain. This is the kind of community which I want to create. I'm really, really excited and hyped up about that. Really. And trust me, I'm going to do that. And if you are committed enough, you are going to be a part of my Hall of Fame. Because you know why? If you don't want, if you don't believe me, we have around 16 people here, not much. So now I'm going to ask any one of my students or any of my people who have attended my sessions, my workshops, just go ahead and unmute yourself. Come on. Bhumi, Jiteshwari, any one of you, just unmute yourself and tell others what kind of value that you have got from me till now, and what do you think, what kind of value you'll receive in future. Just tell them, just share some thoughts about me and be very honest. If you have something negative, just go ahead, share it. This is the day, this is the today. I want you to be 100% honest today. Come on. So who's coming up? Tell me. Is it Bhumi? Is it Jiteshwari? Because these are is it Nikhil, or is it Rupali? Is it because I can see only these Pavna, or any one of you? Come on, share all in front of all these people who. Come on, go ahead. I want to hear from you. Can you guys hear me clearly? Because I think so my this stopped working. I think so I'm audible. Okay. So just go ahead and share some views. I think so. These people are feeling shy. Who is feeling shy? Tell me. Who's feeling shy?
Yeah, Aman, hi.
Okay, Shamanta. Okay, so he wants to share something. Okay. Go ahead, Shamanta.
Yeah,
And share something which you be honest, okay? Be honest. Come on.
yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah. We had a few sessions before,
Yeah.
and we were kind of doing a sort of a digital product development or a course development, right? And the best part was that during the last few sessions with you, uh, at that point of time, many things were unlocked, which we already knew, but the thing is that it is said, right, practice makes a man perfect, or practice makes it perfect. So thing was that many things opened up also, and we started getting to the basics, like what exactly you need, when any kind of a product needs to be made. So
Exactly.
what need it should serve, or what purpose it should serve. And on top of that, we have to, for example, what happens generally, whenever we make a product, we we concentrate most of the time, we concentrate on the product. But the thing is that we lot of the times we forget about the target audience or the audience for whom we are making the product. So during the last sessions, every time we were doing those 5 to 6 steps. Every time we were doing those 5 to 6 steps, so in every step we were keeping the target audience on mind, and then we were moving ahead. So I think there were, the brainstorming was really furious, and it was really aggressive also, and at the same time it was relaxing also. What? Uh, because at the same time, many of the things were new also, and at the same time, a lot of things which were in the back of our minds, it opened up also at the same time. So I think, yeah, as a part of the last few sessions, they were really fruitful also, brainstorming also, plus educating also, and entertaining also. So that's my feedback. So yeah, uh, we can't hear you, Aman. You have to, I think, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Shamanta, I really appreciate your words. I really appreciate whatever you shared. It was an honest review. And anyone else, if you want to share something, because this is the time you can speak. I want others to know what kind of sessions or what kind of learning they'll be going through. That is the reason why I'm asking you to share some experience. Honest review about me. I expected a few more people to speak, and it's fine if you don't want to, but still, just go ahead for the sake of the other students who have been joining in. I think so. Bhumi, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Honest review. Talking from an internship perspective, I and Jiteshwari, both of us have worked with Aman personally. So he has never treated us like some, a subordinate or person that we can't share any ideas with. So he has always treated us as a friend, and we can share all our ideas. It was like so open up, so transparent. Talking about value addition from the lectures or the course perspective, it was like it's basically meant whatever courses or whatever he teaches, it's basically for the beginners. For me also, if I see myself six months back, I didn't knew anything about digital marketing. So now I'm specializing in social media marketing because of him. He taught me, he told me that these are some high paid skills, this is what you're good at. He has seen my work, what I did, he has given me some projects. So based on whatever projects that he gave it to us, we did, and based on that, he gave his honest feedback, which really, had made me like progress from like what I was 0% 6 months back to at least I would say at least 50% now. Yeah, that's it.
Wow. Amazing. It's good to hear that. And I feel, this is something which is the most, makes me the happiest when I listen to people like you, and any kind of help if I can provide you. Doesn't matter if I'm charging you, doesn't matter if any kind of transformation I can provide you in your life. This is what I am for. This is what I am here for. I'm here to help you. I'm here to give you the clarity, because I have the clarity just like a horse. I know the vision. I know where I want to go, how I'm making so much money, and I want you also to have a clarity, because it's high time. It has been a long time you're learning digital marketing, and you might be wondering that when there is going to come a time that I'm going to make a lot of money out of it, or I'm going to enjoy it and make the money at the same time. Okay. And thank you so much, Bhumi, for that. I really appreciate that. And Jiteshwari has also shared her comments. She's saying, learning from you is a great experience. The way you make us understand is so awesome. Looking forward to learn more from you. Okay. So thank you so much, Jiteshwari, for those kind words. And it really means this is my ROI. This is my ROI. I don't count ROI in terms of money. I count ROI in terms of the testimonials I have. Okay, no problem. Philip. Can you please mute
Hi,
yourself?
this is Philip here. Can
Okay,
you
okay.
listen?
You want to
I mean,
speak?
you're
Okay,
able to understand.
okay, okay.
Yes.
I think so. He muted himself.
You can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Just go ahead. Go ahead, Philip. Go ahead.
All right. So I have attended a few sessions of Aman when I was in internship program. At that time, a short period of a session on internship and then doing an assignment was getting difficult as the days passed. But as the deadlines were very short and we need to complete and send the assignment, at that time could not complete the work at that time. Still remember around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the night, early morning. I sent him a message that no, I have finished this. Can you give me a review? Then immediately I got a review. I was surprised. Like no, even at this time, Aman is helping me out, and I could complete the assignments on time. That was a great. And not only that, some of the sessions which I have attended for a freebie. Person like Aman is who is a need to grow because that big people like who have been experienced for years, they cannot spend time with newbies because but we need people like Aman who can help us to get started and as we go on, the support is required. See, I have attended since May the internship program. I have learned a lot of things. Know how to write a sales copy page. Lot of examples, were given, referred. But when I'm not putting into action, it's not making any work. So absolutely, like people like Aman, trainers like Aman will definitely need many of us to know to go forward. Thanks, Aman, for all.
Aman, you are on mute.
Thank you so much, Philip. And it has been very, very, very kind and great words from your side, and it really makes me really nostalgic to hear all these words, because you guys are very honest, and you guys just speak the truth, and this is something which I love. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. But please unmute. Okay, so now I think so everyone can hear me clearly, right? I'm clearly audible, right? Okay, okay. So now we're gonna proceed further with without any much ado. So guys, you guys can see already these people who attend my sessions, they see some results, and till now I was not very active, but now is the time which I have made a commitment to myself that this year is going to be an year of execution for me and you as well. I'm going to make you execute, hold your hand until see, I have taken an oath. I'm going to make a community, and I'm going to coach each and every student of the community until the moment they start making a huge amount by themselves independently. This is the oath that I have taken, and you guys are soon going to be a part of that. So now this is why I have come up with a challenge. It's a 1 week challenge, and this is something which is, this is something which is making me very excited to reveal it to you. This is a challenge, and it's a 7 day digital marketing challenge. So now you might be wondering what is a digital marketing challenge? What is this? Everybody's saying digital marketing workshop and blah 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 blah. What is a digital marketing challenge? What exactly it is? Okay. So now tell me, this is something which I have come up with, and for me, according to me, it has a total value of 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees is something which I believe this is the amount that I think that everyone should pay in order to accept this challenge. But let's not talk about it. Let's come to my top 3 secrets first. Okay, my top 3 secrets. When I say my top 3 secrets, these are my top 3 secrets. And this is why I have conducted this webinar, in order to lay it down in front of you, that what are those secrets that have helped me to master copywriting, to master sales funnel, to master Facebook ads, to master design thinking, to master all these skills that I will be talking about. All these skills, what are those secrets that have helped me, that have helped me to reach where I am right now, and become and carry a skill set which is an expert, which is a high paying skill set. What are those secrets? These literally these are secrets, because I whenever I speak something like this, I really feel, I should record it, and I should, I should listen it to myself, because sometimes I can't even imagine what I'm saying, because it's very useful. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you my 3 secrets. Very first secret is that you got to, the very first secret is that first of all, you got to learn. And it's something that everyone of you might know. Every one of you might know. Very first secret is that learn. The second secret is that apply. And the third secret is that earn. But there's a catch here. There's a very big catch here, that nobody is telling you. Nobody is telling you, trust me. There's a very big catch. Everybody is telling you learn, apply, and earn. But nobody is telling you how to do that. There's a catch in this. And today I will share with you how to do that, how to make it happen, how to really learn, how to really apply, and how to really earn in real life practically. So let's come to the very first step, which is learn. When I say learn, you got to learn something which is made for you, not any random thing. You got to learn what is right for you, which is needed for you. You don't have to learn what is trending. And this is where you got to learn a high paying skill, so that you don't have to hustle a lot. You got to learn the right skill by the right guidance. Without the right guidance, you learn the wrong thing. Without the right awareness, you learn the wrong thing. You got to know the awareness. You got to have the awareness that this is something which is, I am made for this. I live in this. I don't have to do it. It happens with me. You got to learn that. And I am going to help you to discover how to learn that which you are made for. Okay? I'm going to help you today to discover how to learn the real thing. What exactly you have to learn. Now let's move forward to the second part, which is apply. Everybody tells you that apply this. You have to make it. If you practice something for 1,000 hours, you're going to be a master of it. Who's going to wait for 1,000 hours? There's no, it's nobody is going to, people are, I'm going to die starving 1,000 hours. Nobody's going to wait 1,000 hours. It's true. It's true that practice makes a man perfect. But what if I say that there is a shortcut? There is a shortcut which is not like a shortcut, but it is a shortcut. What if I say that in those 2 years that I have spent, I did not know about these skills. I did not know that this is something which exists. This is something which you have to do. If I knew it, I would have cracked it in hardly 1 or 2 months, or maybe 6 months. It will not have been taken me 2 to 3 years to make money in digital marketing or any other skill. What if I tell you the second secret, how to execute in a proper way? What is the right way to apply? Where to apply? How to apply? How to get the most out of application? What is the right process to apply? Right blueprint to apply? How to apply so that you never quit? How to apply so that you never give up on applying? You never procrastinate. This is how applying is done. This is how execution is done. how to master real execution, how to decide what you really want to learn, and then how to really execute it. And then the third secret, how to make real money out of it. Real money, when I say real money, means real money. How to really sell what is high ticket, how to sell easily like anything, how to know what skill to acquire that you can get paid easily, a very high ticket, how to get that confidence so that you can get paid highly. The third step will be learn. And these three secrets, all these three secrets, I will be giving it to you. You just have to be with me. That's it. That's it. You just have to be with me. Okay. Because all of you might be learning, applying, and a little bit of earning. But tell me, really tell me, all of you, those who are sitting here, are you really earning? Tell me. Just type in the yes in the, if you are satisfied with the amount that you're earning, just type a yes in the chat box. If you're satisfied with the amount that you're earning, just type a yes in the chat box. And if you're not, just type no. Because if you're satisfied with the amount that you're earning, just please leave this webinar. I'm not talking to you. You know, it's not for you. If you're satisfied in life, it's not for you. I'm not here for you. If you're satisfied with the little amount that you're earning, this is webinar is not for you. I'm really sorry to say, but this is true. Just tell me in the chat box, because those who are satisfied and type a yes, please don't even type a yes. Just leave. I promise you, just leave. I don't need people who are satisfied. I want hungry people. I want people who are just like me. Okay? Yeah, I can see almost everyone is saying no. Yes. Because I am serious about it. I'm very serious. When I say I'm going to teach you something, I'm very serious, and you got to take it seriously. Otherwise, you're not going to get away with it. Trust me, you're not going to get away with it. Because these are my secrets which I'm going to share with you. And if you're a little sneaky little procrastinator, then this is not for you. Trust me, this is not for you. You're going to have a very hard time with me, very hard time. Because I literally, when I do the workshops, I tell you to do the assignment. That means you have to do it. You have to do it. So now tell me, are you ready to take that leap? Are you ready to take that transformation? Are you ready for the transformation or not? Wait. Just hold on. Yeah. So now I'm asking you a question. If you are ready for me to present you the solution, because this is a solution which I have. If you are ready to step out of your comfort zone, if you are ready to have a commitment with me in which you have to do certain things which I say, and if I say you have to do it, you have to do it. And if not ready, just get out of the webinar. But if you are ready, just type a yes in the chat box so that I will show you what I have to offer you. Just type ready in the chat box if you want me to reveal that. Because if you're not ready, please, right away stop it and just leave. If you're not hungry, if you don't want to step out of the comfort zone, if you don't want to make more money, make more income, just get out. This is something which is really, I'm being very honest. I think so people are ready. Yeah. Okay. So now let me reveal this to you. And this is yeah. So here it is. 7 days digital marketing challenge. And now it is, it's just 1 week workshop. It's just, just don't mind the name, the workshop, but it is like a challenge. Why it is a challenge? Why it is a challenge? Because I'm going to show you live. I'm going to create a digital product right in front of you live. This has not been done in the whole history of digital marketing. I am going to create a live product in front of you from scratch. I'm going to create the sales funnel to sell that product from scratch live in front of you. I'm going to write the copies for that product live in front of you. I'm going to generate paid traffic live in front of you. And then I'm going to sell that product with my funnel, with webinar, with everything that I am equipped with live in front of you. And all this will be done using a simple model which is called design thinking, and that too will be a live training for you. I'm not going to give you any random bullshit information that you never complete or you never execute. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how it is done right away in front of your face. I'm going to show you how I make lakhs by selling that product, and how you can also make. Even if you don't have a product, I'm going to design a product from scratch in front of you. Just imagine. How exciting is this? If you're excited, if you're right now, if you're literally excited, just type excited in the chat box at this moment, because everything is going to be live. Just imagine. I'm going to create everything from scratch. My all the experience, whatever goes in, nobody shares what goes on in the back end. Did Digital Deepak tell you that how did he create this internship program? If he might have told you, no, nobody would have attended it. I'm just saying, and no offense to Digital Deepak, but nobody shares the back end. Nobody shares the back end. And you might be thinking that, 12,000 it's a very big amount. Don't worry, I got you on this. I got your back. 12,000, you might be thinking 12,000 is a very big amount. All this will be given to you live. Why I'm going to do this live? Because I don't want to give any more information. I'm going to show it to you how it is done live. I'm going to prove it to you how I make so much. I will make so much money live. So just imagine you're going to learn these high income skills live with me. And you can also be a part of the program that we will create. It will be kind of a 1 to 3 week, it will be kind of a 7 week big program, and the target audience will be digital marketing beginners just like you and me. No, not me, just like you. I don't call myself an expert. I'm just a mediocre. Yeah, I will be an expert, but I am at a mediocre in digital marketing. But I'm very good with sales. There are things I'm good with, but right now I'm just in the middle. Just imagine everything live. If you see how a sales funnel is designed, do you think wait right here, I'm going to share you one stat with you. There's a statistic that we grasp 10% of what we read, 20% of what we see, we remember, and around 80% of what we teach. And I'm going to make you teach. I'm going to show live. So it will be a live teaching for you. Live teaching that you will address. So you'll able to grasp 80% of it. Just imagine I'm making a funnel live in front of you. I'm writing a copy. I'm doing everything which works behind the copywriting live in front of you. Do you even think that is it possible for you to not learn anything? How many of you think that still you will not learn it? Still you will not be able to make money out of that skill, or out of all these skills, or still you are not going to able to design your own product, anything. Trust me, even if you don't have a single product or anything to sell, at the end of the workshop, you will be coming up with an idea. I will help you with that. Coming up with the idea to make a purchase, make your own product and sell it and make a lot of money using this design thinking live training. And even if you don't want to sell this product, you can acquire the skills. These are all high ticket skills. Sales funnel, copywriting, Facebook ads. And trust me, this is the kind of value which I have. And just for the sake of the people that who have attended this workshop, just for the sake of you guys, I'm giving is it's a 1 week commitment, and I'm giving this commitment to you only. This price is going to change as soon as today ends. I'm giving it for you for just 999. And why I have money in between? Because if there's no money, nobody is serious. How many of you agree that if there is no money, nobody of you is serious, will be serious? I don't want non-serious people inside this. I don't want. Not at all. Not at all. I don't want those who are not serious just go away right away. The kind of value that I'll be sharing, I believe it is around 10 to 12,000 of value. But if you can commit with me right away, right now, I'm going to give it to you for 1,000 rupees. And just because you are giving me your trust, and you know what happened, this is you might be thinking, is it a right investment, sometimes I was also, when I quit my job, I used to think that is it the right decision. Sometimes we got to take the decisions which our gut doesn't allow. You got to stop being inside the same cycle anymore, and you got to do things differently. This is a chance, this is your chance, because it doesn't matter to me. I don't give a damn if you join it or not, because anyways I'm going to design my product and I'm going to sell it. Anyways I'm going to do that. So I'm already making my bread and butter. It's not dependent on you. It's just that I want you to grab this opportunity to address something live and learn something live and make a living out of it. You can also make a lot of money out of it. Okay. So if you agree with me, if you're ready to join this, go ahead and make the payment and just type payment done. Go ahead. And if at all you think that, because right now this is something which, if you make the payment right now, then only you get it for 1,000 rupees. Otherwise, this is not the price that you will get, because I believe it is much more valuable than what I am charging for. So it's something which is quite justified. So as you are making the payment, I'm just calling out your names. Okay. And those who have already made the payment, just send me a confirmation on the chat box. And this is a one time offer. One more thing, as soon as this webinar ends, this 1,000 rupees offer is going to expire, and not anymore you can make me this much amount in order to join this workshop. Okay. So go ahead and make me a confirmation once you make the payment. And so Jonah Id has is saying payment done. Let me give a confirmation that have you have done the payment or not. Let me just check. And all of you sitting right here, just go ahead and make the payment, because you have there is a clock which is ticking, and you just have literally have 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes to make the payment. I wait. I haven't received any of the payments, I think so, by Jonah Ed. Have you done on which platform have you done? Have you done on Google Pay? Okay, which platform did you do? Okay, Google Pay. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I got it. So congratulations, Junaid. You have successfully registered for the workshop, Junaid Alam, and congratulations. You are an action taker. Congratulations to you on being an action taker. Those who have, I'm going to start a stop clock. I'm going to start a stopwatch, and as soon as that stop clock ends, that's it. You are done. Nobody will get this workshop for the amount that you know I'm giving you for 1,000. And I'm going to give you the commitment that you are going to get away. You are seriously going to with get away with a value that is going to make sure that you start making money, real money. No BS. Trust me. There's no. So just let me just few people are asking me that if they can pay tomorrow. See, a rule is a rule, and if you want to pay tomorrow, then I'm really sorry that I cannot do that. Okay. So we have wait. Okay. So now I'm going to share the screen, and I'm going to share the stopwatch, which will be for 10 minutes, and I'm going to set it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, I think so it will end. What is this? Okay, so I've started the stopwatch, and this is it. So Jiteshwari is saying payment done. Shamanta is saying payment done. Let me just confirm. Congratulations, all of you, those who have already done the payment, for being an action taker. Jiteshwari payment done. Okay, Bhumi payment done. Junaid payment done. Shamanta payment done. Congratulations, all of you, those who have done the payment. You are an action taker, and I give you the commitment that this investment that you're making is gonna give you 10x returns. Okay, and the timer has already started. You can see the screen. It's already 46 seconds. I'm going to wait for another 9 minutes for the rest of the people to make the payment. And if you have any questions regarding anything, go ahead and ask it. The workshop is Nikhil has done the payment. The workshop, his I'm going to check. The workshop is going to start after 25th, somewhere between 25th to 26th. It will be continuous 1 week workshop, and daily the sessions will be long. You have to be committed for the sessions. The sessions will be long. I will be giving you all the information regarding the workshop. The timings for the workshop will be somewhere between 7 to 8 p.m, and the session will be more than 1 to 2 hours, somewhere between 1 to 2 hours, because I'm going to teach you live execution, so it will be long, so it will take time. So the only catch is that the session will be long. Okay, and you all gonna get the recordings. You all are going to execute. If you want to execute it, you can execute it. Have the number. Can you I have the number, please? See, yeah, we can do a to see timings and all. I will get it sorted. Just wait. I just stopped sharing the screen. Wait. I'm gonna just share the screen, and yep. Can you see the number now? Yeah. Those who did not make the payment, yeah, go ahead and just make the payment, and it's another 5 minutes. You are left with another 5 minutes. Yeah, no worries. We're gonna see that about the timing, and really congratulations for the people who have already taken action. I can see we have Jiteshwari has done payment twice. Okay, maybe she has paid for Nikhil. Yeah, you can pay via Google Pay. Jiteshwari, you have done the payment twice. I think so. There's a problem. If you have made the twice, then I'll get okay. You have paid for Nikhil. Okay. So go ahead, those who have not, because the clock is ticking and we have only 7 minutes. We only have 7 minutes. Okay. You can see the next 7 minutes. I'm going to wait for another 7 minutes. And in the meantime, yeah, you can log out and you can come back. But place share number here. Okay. I've already shared the number, and UPI ID also I've shared. And just go ahead, guys, because I also have meetings aligned because I have few international clients, so I am quite short on time. We have another 6 minutes, 5.5 minutes. You have the next 5 minutes. You have this opportunity to grab, and if you don't grab this opportunity, you lose it. We get opportunities quite rarely, and it's us who is stopping us from transformations. Okay, it's only us who are stopping us from transformation. So this is the moment. If you decide to transform, then you are going to dominate your own thing that was stopping you to transform. Okay, another 5 minutes, guys, and after 5 minutes, everything, your last chance will be gone. And it's not, see, my point is that it's just you got to think about it, that you got to make it's a very small investment to ask. Okay, but the kind of value that you will get from it will it's quite good. Okay, so that's my whole point. Okay, who else is going to make the payment? If you are still here, just go ahead and make the payment. Otherwise, just you can leave the webinar. It's quite late also. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today's webinar, and I really appreciate your time. And I'm really excited for the workshop also. And we are going to create something amazing live, and we're going to do it. We're going to do it right away in front of you guys, and we're going to generate a lot of traffic. We're going to generate good traffic. We're going to generate a good funnel. We're going to write amazing copies, and everything you're going to address live. Everything. Okay. So we have another, let me see the timing. We have another 3.5 minutes. 3.5 minutes left. And after that, the the opportunity is gone. What is the, if at all you did not decide to join, what is the problem that you have that you cannot join the workshop? If here is someone who is a little bit hesitant to tell me, be honest, if there any problem, because money is just in order to make you be more committed to join the sessions. That's it. This is the whole point. And looking at the rates of what people are charging out there in the market, this is not much to ask. Okay, you got to there's a lesson that I learned from a lot of my mentors. You don't have to be cheap on your education. Never be cheap on your education. Never go cheap on education, because education is just like an investment that you make, and the more investment you make, the more return on investment you get. So we have, because Junaid is someone who is new to my community, and he took a really bold step today to trust me, and just join this. So really congratulations, Junaid, because your next, from here onwards, Aman, I pay through. So Rupali is asking for Paytm payment. There was an issue with the bank account. I didn't have. Okay, so you can pay through Paytm. Okay, and Neetha. Okay, so let me just check and confirm. Let me just check. Okay. So Neeta has, congratulations, Neeta, your payment is done. Pavna, congratulations, your payment is done. And let me just check Paytm if I have this. Okay, if I have this app. Let me see. How do we check? How do we? What is this? Okay, okay. So this is the alarm. Okay. How do we shut it down, man? God. Okay. So I think so. Rupali, yeah, I got it. I got it. Rupali, I got it. Thank you. So I think so. Everyone who is here have made the payment. Thank you so much, guys, for congratulations on you being an action taker. And we will meet. I will give you regular updates on. I will also add you on the WhatsApp group. Everyone, a single group, and I'll give you regular updates on when is going to the workshop is going to start, how we are going to proceed, and what all skills you are going to learn. Okay. And we are going to bring in some more people, and there will be few more students joining in because we have still a few seats left, around 50 seats I have. And have a very very good night. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you all are excited, and look forward to see you in the workshop. And signing off, good night.